Stock, currency, and crypto markets are trembling with uncertainty. Ethereum hits alarming levels, while the US dollar weakens under geopolitical pressure. Meanwhile, TSMC and Alphabet set new market records, drawing investor attention. The big question: where do risk and reward currently intersect? The MVRV Z score dropped to minus 0.42, signaling a potential market bottom. ETH fell to $1,825 before rebounding. Market participants are divided. Fundamentals remain strong, but tax season and external risks weigh on growth. Traders' takeaway: smart trading from support zones, focusing on MVRV analysis and market liquidity, key short-term strategies. The DXY index fell below 97 amid delayed data releases and rumors of China cutting US treasuries. EUR to USD rose above 1.19. GBP to USD climbs for the second session. USD to CHF continues to slide. Takeaway: active trading of EUR, GBP, and CHF against USD. Trend following and pending orders. Priority strategies. TSMC reported $12.7 billion in revenue. ADS climbed to $355. Taiwan's index hit a new all-time high. Capex estimates $52 to $56 billion. AI demand and US incentives drive sentiment. Takeaway: TSMC is a market driver. Look for entry points after pullbacks. Focus on chipmaker stocks and semiconductor ETFs. $32 billion in bonds issued, including a 100-year GBP tranche. Demand far exceeded supply, especially for the Century bond. Investors view Alphabet as a long-term anchor of stability. Takeaway: appetite for long-term instruments presents opportunity. Go long GOOGL, GBP. Consider bond ETFs to profit from issuer confidence. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any helpful videos and stay up to date with the latest events. With us, you'll become more successful in finance. You can also open a demo or real account using the link in the video description or in our profile bio. See you next time.